Hello, this is Sujata Kancharla. Today I am going to discuss about ordinary bill versus money bill. It is very much useful for all competitive exams. Now let's comes to comparison. Ordinary bill. First one. It can be introduced either in the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Money bill. First one. It can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha and not in the Rajya Sabha. Then comes to ordinary bill. Second one. It can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member. Comes to money bill. Second one. It can be introduced only by a minister. Then comes to ordinary bill. Third one. It is introduced without the recommendation of the president. Money bill comes to third one. It can be introduced only on the recommendations of the president. Then comes to ordinary bill, fourth one. It can be amended or rejected by the Rajya Sabha. Money bill, fourth one. It cannot be amended or rejected by the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha should return the bill with or without recommendations which may be accepted or rejected by the Lok Sabha. Then comes to ordinary bill, fifth one. It can be detained by the Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of 6 months. Then comes to money bill, fifth one. It can be detained by the Rajya Sabha for a maximum period of 14 days only. Then comes to ordinary bill, sixth one. It does not require the certification of the speaker when transmitted to the Rajya Sabha if it has originated in the Lok Sabha. Then comes to money bill, sixth one. It requires the certification of the speaker when transmitted to the Rajya Sabha. Then comes to seventh one, ordinary bill. It is sent for the president's assent only after being approved by both the houses. In case of a deadlock due to disagreement between the two houses, a joint sitting of both the houses can be summoned by the president to resolve the deadlock. Comes to money bill, seventh one. It is sent for the president assent even if it is approved by only Lok Sabha. There is no chance of any disagreement between the two houses and hence there is no provision of joint sitting of both the houses in this regard. Then comes to ordinary bill. Its defeat in the Lok Sabha may lead to the resignation of the government if it is introduced by a minister. Comes to money bill. Eighth one. Its defeat in the Lok Sabha leads to the resignation of the government. Ninth one. Comes to ordinary bill. It can be rejected, approved, or written for reconsideration by the president. Final one. Money bill. It can be rejected or approved but cannot be written for reconsideration by the president. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment, and give suggestions.